perception and the approach of solving the problem obviously must improve. And we'll definitely organizations will satisfy the organizations by learning these techniques. So thanks to you and Sarkar sir, because of why we have learned whatever we have. So thanks.
Anyway, first of all, I would like to say thank you because this program is really an out of my expectation. Means I have expected overall this is a larger than my expectation what I have received. First thing is that, and another thing is definitely this is one of the best program which I have ever gone for the learning purpose or whatever whether it's promoted, self-promoted or the organization promoted. So there is no question or no doubt on that. That is thing. And the another part which is a thing that we can prove by only implementation of the program. And that is only one tool we can prove that what we have done and what is otherwise as a study part or as a material part or what we say the expertise, it is a no doubt because you have experience and you have shared that experience and we can implement. We hope we can carry forward to in our field and satisfy that needs.
First thing, thank to you and Mr. Sarkar. Before starting this training program, I was worrying about that what is Six Sigma. So it's a large subject, but by learning all these aspects, it's a very useful, very enhanced subject, and I learned a lot of things, new things. Actually, we can apply in our manufacturing plant also. Second thing, both of you are practical personals who have completed a lot of activities in manufacturing areas. So it was very beneficial to us. How to implement or how to improve.
Practical guidance.
Yes, it's a basic most major thing from your side. It's a good training session.
I want to say that whatever we have, I intended to know all the things have come to know. Okay, that is fine and excellent. That we know some of the tools, okay, but we don't know where, in which way exactly they are interconnected or whatever the map we don't know. That I clearly.
First of all, I thank you and Mr. Sarkar for a very good, very interesting training schedule. And as far as I am concerned, I attended a very long session and training schedules after a very long period, basically. So first I was worried how to sit down 8 hours, 7 hours on a place. I'm a moving person, I'm a production guy, so I keep moving every time. So it's a very tough thing for me. But I can say really it is very interesting. It was very interesting, and the training material you provided, that was very, very useful, very, very informative. So, and before attending this training program, I think we all have heard only about Six Sigma, but we were not aware what is the concept, what is the fundamental things. But now at least we can say yes, we know what is Six Sigma, how to apply the tools, how to apply the techniques. And definitely this training program will be helpful to help our organization and to help ourselves also. So it's really very good, it's really very interesting, very, very informative. And I again thank you and Mr. Sarkar for very good sessions to us. Thank you.
First of all, thank you very much. Last 3 days has been a very great learning experience of this Six Sigma methodology and most basics of this statistics was not clear to me before. So last 3 days I am able to learn this, and definitely I think this will be helpful in implementation of projects in our organization. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And this institute has given me the opportunity to go through this Six Sigma course. I am just searching the job and I am going for better career. So this will be very much helpful wherever I go, wherever I join. So this courses, this will enable me to get some good job, and I will whatever I have learned here, that I will definitely implement wherever I go. And this course is very much innovative and knowledgeable. Thanks.
Hi, first of all, I can say thank you very much because before I came here for this course, I was like didn't know anything. What is the Six Sigma? And there was all in my mind the like confusion. What was the Six Sigma? Why is not what? Why it is not 5 Sigma or 7 Sigma? But now it is just clear. Everything is clear, and now I can understand why it is only 6 Sigma. And I had got many doubts. Has been clear. As just I'm a not experienced person in industry, but still just I have got the knowledge and I can understand, and I had cleared the fundamentals and everything. And thanks for the group as well. They are just like contributing a lot of things and experience, and on that way also I had just increased my knowledge and experience as well. And thank you to you as well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I am very grateful to you that you have taught us in a very simplistic way the very complicated thing in my mind. I think the whole group has the same feeling. I was trying to learn it for quite some time, and in bits and pieces the knowledge was also there, but it was not a unified and linked knowledge. So the drawing conclusion and get benefit from that knowledge was not coming out very clearly. And one of the most important thing, other than this theoretical aspect, now I can relate the things in a more coherent way, in a by seeing a bigger picture. I think it can be applied not only in organization, in our personal lives also, because this is a systematic approach of problem solving. So DMAC will not only contribute in the organization, in our day-to-day life and our day-to-day handling of the things will improve by application of this systematic knowledge. Thank you very much.
First of all, I thank you, our concert family, because 1 year back I am totally the different person, and after this 1 year, my overall personality is changed, and my thinking regarding quality and other tools which are we use, and we can improve our processes and quality of product, then customers satisfaction. That I learned from our concept family. And the Six Sigma training is the benchmark, I can say. So by implementing these learnings to various our clients, we can guide them to improve their or solve their problems and improve their yield or anything else. So once again, thank you, and Mr. Sarkar and all our family members of Concept.
Thank you. So I also once again thank all of you and one again.
Interactive session from last 3 days, and definitely I have got moreover 16 years of experience in industry, and from here onwards I think definitely my approach, how the way I look the things will definitely change, and we are able to really understand some very good QC tools, and DMAC is one of the best tool how we can right from starting the problem and using the tools, analyzing and implementing and then controlling. So I think really from when you go to our factory from now onwards, we will be able to see the hidden factory in the factory, and I hope we will definitely able to do some projects which will add value to the organization. Thank you very much.
First of all, I would like to thank you to you, because the way you will be able to convey the basic things to us is really fantastic, because now it is definitely registered in mind, and we were doing the things but it is not systematic, and now I think, not I think, definitely we will do the things in a systematic manner. Like for example, you said Six Sigma is a methodology and it is a concept and it is a reduce the variation. Previously we have something different thinking. Six Sigma means some certified course, something like that. So this is really very well understood for us now, and we got a very good strong base for this. We will be able to progress on this base very strongly, and we would like to see forward for your next training also, like black belt. So this is we would like to participate in that also. So once again I would like to say thank you very much. This will be the milestone for our career development as well as to improve the industry culture. We can impart my knowledge to my subordinates also. This is really, because when I understand very well, then only I can give them the good knowledge.
As you mentioned, you also have gone through training somewhere else.
Yes,
also.
I had been gone trainings to other people also, but the
On
way
Six
you
Sigma.
have, yes, the way you have put the things in my, registered in my mind is really fantastic. The lecture is really very good. Thank you very much.
Myself is Piyush, coming from Rajkot, all the way around 200 kilometers, 250 kilometers away. It's a great pleasure and great hospitality given by your organization to take such a tough course in a way, but it was very presently, lucid manner it was served to us, that it doesn't make to all of our team nothing tough. Like we can say that knowledge is power, but I would like to correct, applied knowledge is a power. Because knowledge, we were, as in our foundry, we were having TS, so we know X bar R chart, but that application, in last 3 days we came to know that what is the right application and how we can interpolate in our day-to-day plant operation and like that. And I would definitely agree with Mr. Prasad, as rightly, it should be like right on the Gamba, where we can see the problem and remove the, find out the hidden factory inside the factory. So it's anyway very fantastic setup also over here. Nice conference room with all audio visual projectors and all those things. So there is also a very good facility available with you, sir. And I would like to
Decent.
Yeah, it is very decent, and I would like to give heartiest best wishes for your greater future prospects, and would request that you develop some facility at Rajkot stage also. That is my humble request to you, sir. And would like to give you best wishes to you and your team members also, because behind you also very many people will be working to arrive to such a great level. Your team members also done a great job, and to all our team members also for the
2x4 level.
This one.
So this is automatic, auto selected.
automatic.
It is auto selected.
Now go for okay. Yes.
This is
So it is given.
it is. MS.
Yes, start.
Ready, can install assembly?
You can also start sub assembly. You can start. You can start the sub assembly.